Every now and then, a technology emerges that changes people's lives. For people who test water, that time is now. Proven analytical chemistry has combined with centrifugal fluidics photometry to create the breakthrough WaterLink Spin Touch. The genius is its reagent disc that simultaneously tests 10 parameters. Reagents are dispensed into specially designed wells, mixing beads are inserted, and the disc is sealed. The unique fluidics disc eliminates user error for precise, repeatable results in just 60 seconds. The Spin Touch can precisely measure more than 16 critical chemistries. Regardless of the application, the Spin Touch is perfect for all pool professionals, making your job simpler and more reliable. With data-made web, the WaterLink Spin Touch seamlessly provides the time, date, and test results for remote monitoring anywhere in the world. Hotel chains to service companies can now have eyes on pool water anywhere, anytime. The game-changing WaterLink Spin Touch with centrifugal fluidics reagent discs. You'll never test any other way.